Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Every success has its own story. You will find your institute at heights. What is the story behind it? Please.
Well, the story behind is it's a big journey. It's so many huge things been happened last when I started 1997 when I passed out my graduation, my Ayurveda degree course from Government Medical College, and when I came in the market and I find that Ayurveda, there was nothing with the Ayurveda. People were not ready to move with Ayurveda because allopathy people demanding and people need good results and instant results they need, and even the budget was not there. There's so many challenges to me. And the journey begins from here when I find that I have to cope up with all those things and a big challenge, and I started it in a just small space. It's a rental space and just 100 square feet area, and it's just OPD level. I started. Not only this challenge was there, but the challenge it's like that how you give the results. The people not believing on the pathy and budget was not there. How you cope up with all those things? This was the great thing in my mind, and I thought when it is going on very well in south of India. South of India was very famous for Ayurveda. People over there they believe that there is a first line of treatment. People go straight away to the Ayurvedic doctor for just simple normal diseases. And I find that when south is going on, why not north people will be attached? You see, nowadays it's very good going on. People know about Ayurveda, but at that time it was a great, it was sounds crazy that you are doing that thing. The people are not even appreciating your that thing. But the passion, the passion makes me move on. Then I thought, if I give the results in such diseases like neurological diseases, neurological diseases, allopathy people don't have any answer. They can't do anything in neurology diseases. So in Ayurveda, there was so much to do in neurology, musculoskeletal disorders. There is just they straight away go to the surgery. Arthritis. Arthritis is not curable in allopathy, but in Ayurveda it is curable. So many skin diseases it is not curable in this allopathy, but Ayurveda has an answer. So there were so many areas for me to if I can hold one or two areas, just simple one or two areas, because orthopedic is it's a very every person is having a pain in the knee, every person is having a cervical, and every person is having that because muscular cramps is always there. People are hard workers here. So I find if I go with these small things and I give the results, and without medicine we can go with the results, because our Panchkarma therapy is, very well known for the results only. And sometimes we don't need a medicine to just oral intake is not needed sometimes. So it was like I find out some projects like if I go with orthopedics, if we go with neurology, if I go with skin, if I go with this allergic reactions like asthma and some skin diseases. So there was a scope. I find that if I give this thing and in a low budget, then it's going to be a good deal for me, and then the journey begins. I make my own practices. I make my own procedures as per patient demand, as per patient pocket, as per scenario, what type of medicines I'm going to get from the market. That was also a challenge. Not only the budget was challenge. This was also like how you get the medicines. So, but with God grace, now we are sitting in this area. This is not rental. This is our own property. It's about 2,500 square feet area, and we have made a about 12,500 square foot area. It is an indoor facility we are having. We are having a hospital. Only one hospital in whole state of Ayurveda. We people own that hospital and that indoor facility over there. So with God grace, we are now at this position. And then we started our this NGO also with the name of Mystic Belief International Foundation, where we give with God grace to the poor patients. We can distribute the medicines to them and give a treatment to them free of cost. Even we are delivering education to them free of cost. So it's all Almighty. They wants me to be in that place. Then we got we are being honored with India's most prominent healthcare award in Ayurveda for our best services with from Mr. Kapil Dev ji, former cricketer. And then we are being awarded with local so many organizations and Police Academy of Haryana, the state Haryana where we are having this center. So it's give a boom to you. It's a give a different passion to you. It's give something that you are energized. Whenever you get this type of you are energized by your own. So it gives you something. I can't explain in words. It's like something moving ahead. A kick, you can say. A kick. Right? So it was a kick. Like we are getting the results, we get the awards, and we are coping up with the poor people also. We can help the poor people also. It's all Almighty. No? It's all Almighty. So then we move on to this our pharmacy section also. We are having a pharmacy and one or two medicines. They are our research products. We are having a medicine in diabetes. Diabetes is a research product. We are having in type 1, type 2 diabetes. There is no medicine that is going to work in type 1 and type 2 type of diabetes. Even not only working in type 1 and type 2 diabetes, it's going to rejuvenate the pancreas cells also. It's a miracle. It's a miracle in this time that you can treat diabetes, and they are all being certified. They are all having animal testing, and we are having detoxification medicine also. We are having fat loss medicine also, and so many products we launched later on. And this is all the journey never ends. It's always a beginning. Once you start it, once you want, then the journey always going on. It's going on. It's a moving process. Now we are planning to move on at international level also. We want that the people over in the whole world, they must know what Ayurveda is. And I want that I must connect it with the whole world with so many countries. I'm trying to be connected with them, and so that we can give them our services also. So that is again another journey. There's again we are moving ahead with these things. So thanks to God that we are moving, and we are having at this level now. It's all because of God, and people, they give us blessings. When they get results, they give us blessings. So I can't actually explain in words. It's just simply you were asking me, and I'm telling you that it's a like pray to me. It's like a prayer, and moving and doing and this and that. It's like that.